Hi everyone, it's Jen, and I have another haul for you guys. I was contacted again by Onedaysaving.com, and they wanted me to share with you the diamond paintings that they gave me. So Onedaysaving.com and Posh05 off for 5% off your order. So I'll show you what I got. This is, I think my daughter will like this, but it was just Halloween, so I got the Grim Reaper. And he comes with all these diamond paints and the little tray and the wax. So I got him, and he's a good size one. He's a 30 centimeter by 40 centimeter. So we'll be doing him. We have another tray and pen, and this one is Hogwarts at night. So I'm going to have several Hogwarts, and it's kind of hard to see on this one. Of course, it would help if I had it right side up. So Hogwarts at night, and there's his little gems, and then we have, again, the tray and the wax. And he is a 30 by 40 also. So I think I'll just have like a whole wall of Harry Potter. Speaking of Harry Potter, put him up. I have a small, these will be fun to do, set of individual ones. So let's open him up for you. So there's altogether, wow, there's a lot. There are 9. Altogether there are 9. We have 2 Harrys, there's a Malfoy, Dumbledore, Ron, Hermione, Voldemort, Hagrid, and Fang, and McGonagall. And then here are the little things for these, and these are inexpensive, and I think they would be good for kids, so check those out. They have bookmarks and stuff too, so I thought those would be nice. And then they come with the tray and the little thing too. So alright guys, that was my share. I wanted to show you real quick, but stay tuned because I'm going to make a couple of these next time. So yeah, this is an awesome haul, but I'm going to go ahead and share a couple of these with you as I create them. So hang out here and wait for the next one. Onedaysaving.com, and use Posh05 off for 5% off your purchase, and can't wait to get these started. Bye bye.